Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today is either Monday the 14th or Tuesday the 15th of December. This is your social studies today. We are going to be exploring and explaining the historical significance of North Carolina state symbols. Today we're focusing on historic sites. So think about some ways that we honor people that lived in the past. What way do we do that? Well, sometimes we place plaques or markings. Sometimes we build monuments. Sometimes we erect statues of those people. You might have heard of some important monuments like the Washington Monument or the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., but our state has them as well. Some of them are very controversial, reasonably so. Others are not. And today we're going to be exploring those, a few of them at least. So if we are in class, we're going to watch this video together. If you are doing this independently, you're going to have to pause here and watch this video. This is all about the historic sites in North Carolina. Go ahead and watch that now. Then moving on. So in thinking about some of those sites, you're going to be using this website here. And it is going to take us, we're going to scroll down and we're going to be focusing specifically on this map. Okay. From the Outer Banks to the Blue Ridge Mountains, from coastal sand dunes to icy mountain streams, North Carolina thrills the imagination of visitors and residents alike. Equally as diverting as its natural beauty is the history of its people. American Indians hunting in unspoiled forests, colonists trading tar and pitch, soldiers and sailors fighting for independence and freedom, and farmers toiling to make a living off the land, all represent stories as powerful as rushing waters and that are found in our state. Now, friends, we have a huge history in our state, and this is just a tiny snippet of what is here. Not all of it. There is so much more. What you're going to be doing today is using that link for the map, and you're going to be scrolling down until you can see it. Now, again, this is your map, right? Okay, so you're going to be using that map, and you are going to be clicking on those little icons to learn about some historic sites. Okay, for example, here's one. That is the Halifax State Historic Site. Okay, and you can click on that, and you can find out more information. All right, there it is, historicsites.gov. You can check all this stuff out. All right. Now, you then are going to choose 3 of those historic sites on the map, and you are going to fill in this worksheet. Okay, fill in the worksheet. What you're going to do is you are going to put an X for what the site honors. Is it a person, an event, or a culture? You're going to put an X at what time period it was in: colonial times, American Revolution, Civil War, World War II, 18 or 1900s. You are then going to put the title of it, and you are going to do those 3. So as you can see, the first one's been filled in for you. It's called the Alamance Battleground, and you can see it honors an event, and it was the time period is the American Revolution. And again, that map was used there. This goes straight to that map if you want to peek at it, or you can use the other one. Again, there it is. Now you can pick any of these 3, or I'm sorry, any of these. It just has to be 3 of them. So maybe you want to do Historic Bath, Bennett Place, and Bentonville Battlefield State Historic Site. You would fill those 3 things in on your sheet right here. Historic Bath, Bentonville, whatever. Put an X in this section, either a person, event, or culture that is honored, and when it took place. Okay. And when you're done, you are going to mark today's assignment complete, and then you are finished with social studies for the day. If you did not finish this on Monday or Tuesday, you are tasked to complete it on Wednesday so that you do not get behind with Thursday and Friday's work. Thanks. Bye.